My name is Anissa Pettis, and I am studying business management.
Today, I'm going to show you how to use Excel to analyze the cost of a car loan. First, I calculate monthly interest using the IPMT function. This formula uses the interest rate divided by 12, the month number, the total number of payments, and the loan amount. IPMT calculates how much of each payment goes towards interest. In the beginning, the interest rate is higher because the loan balance is still large. As the balance decreases, the loan portion also decreases. We add dollar signs to our formula to keep certain values fixed when copying the formula down the column. All we're doing is tell Excel, lock this cell so it doesn't change when I drag the formula. I click the bottom corner of the cell and drag it down to copy the formula to all the remaining rows. This automatically fills the formula down the column for all 60 months. Also, remember, to create a formula in Excel, you must always begin with the equal sign. The equal sign tells Excel that you're entering a formula instead of a regular text. Next, I calculate the monthly principal using the PPMT function. This formula uses the same inputs as we used previously when calculating the monthly interest: the interest rate, the month number, the total number of payments, and the loan amount. When analyzing a car loan, the principal payment function calculates how much of each payment goes towards reducing the loan balance. As the loan progresses, the principal portion increases. Today, we are assuming that the cost of the car is $13,452, and the loan is for 5 years, equaling to 60 monthly payments at 4% interest. Again, we are using cell references instead of typing numbers, which allows the formula to update automatically when copied down the column. Next, I calculate the total monthly payment. This formula adds the monthly interest and the monthly principal together. I then automatically copy the formula down the column. Next, I create a line chart to visualize the loan. I do this by highlighting the monthly interest, monthly principal, and monthly payment data. Then I go to the Insert tab and select a 2D line chart. Once I've resized my chart, I rename the chart tile to Cost of Loan to clearly describe what the chart represents. Something I also like to do is add axis titles. I labeled the horizontal axis as month to show the time period and the vertical axis as dollars to represent the payment amounts. In Excel, charts help visualize data and make it easier to identify patterns. This chart particularly shows that interest decreases over time, while principal increases. The total payment remains relatively constant. Now, I'm going to change the interest rate from 4% to 7%. This increases the amount of interest paid over the life of the loan. As a result, a larger portion of each payment goes towards interest rather than the principal. Now I will revisit each formula to ensure you understand how the calculations were created. This tutorial demonstrates how Excel functions can be used to calculate loan payments and analyze how interest rates affect the total cost of a loan. Thank you so much. Hope it helped.